Good afternoon, everyone. We're doing some yard work. So we're clearing the yard. So we cleared up the sunflower already, and we put it outside in the curb to get picked up on Thursday. So now we have to work on branches. It's pushing the fence. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut this higher portion first before we go down to the lower part. And I did not know when I'm cutting the branches there is a pepper. I don't know what kind of pepper is this. So they already have some small ones, small peppers already. So we're gonna trim around the yard. The thing is, when I'm standing here and these branches, cutting to this tree right here, cutting the branches, and when I look up, look what I got. It's just above my head. The blessing is just above my head. This is a jujube. And there's another one hiding behind the leaves.
Where's the key?
It's in a plastic bag. Oh, it's in my bag.
Where's that?
My black bag.
Where's your black bag?
I think beside the microwave. And then inside the tiles, it's being put down. They start putting down the tiles this morning at 9 o'clock. And they said that it's gonna take 3 days to finish. Now we have to figure it out how we're gonna get in a bedroom, because they start over there. The entrance going to all the rooms and the bathroom. You found the key? Hi, Mama Nee. Honey. Hi, Mama. She can't hear anymore. You have to raise your voice to get her attention. Right, Mama? It's hot, huh? So that's what we got right now. The branches that we cut last year, they grow back. This right here, we need to cut this again. This right here. My Korean cantaloupe is climbing up on the tree, and I have one right here. And it's hard for me to see until they change color. There's another one. Because the green color blended to the leaves. Oh, there's another one right there. We got too much far ant in the yard. And this is my mini garden. So that's the branches. That's the tree that we got some branches last year. And now they're growing back. So we still have a lot to do, but it's not that hard anymore. Not like last year that we have to cut big branches, and we're fighting on it because it's really hard to cut. But now it's just that small ones. Just my concern is I don't want the branches close to the wire because it's not safe. So we have to trim this. They grow back, getting close to the wire again. Yeah. Just a little branches. It's okay. We can deal with it without fighting with it. So this is my 2 days that I requested to be off at work. That we're supposed to that I requested the 2 days off. This messed up because I requested 2 months ago to be off for these 2 days, and they denied my request. And then the other day, one of my coworkers texted me saying that there's somebody's gonna be working in my area. And I said, how come? I did not even requested to be off. And she said, yeah, that lady have a schedule to work in your area. And I said, what? I said, I know, I requested 2 months ago, but they deny my request, and now I'm off. So I said, okay, just a minute, let me call the office to find out what's going on. And guess what? My request got approved, but they forgot to put in the apps that I was approved. And the guy who's gonna do the tiles talked to me before then. When my request got denied, he asked me if he can do the tiles this weekend, and I said yeah. So my plan, it got messed up, but that's okay. We found something to do when we're here, because we can't leave them by themselves when they are doing the floor. We need to be here if just in case they have question or something that we need to do. So the day is not got wasted. And it's funny, I have a blessing. I found figs. You see the figs? I found a ripe figs right here. And I have one on top too. I've been checking this every day because once there's a ripe figs, the birds and squirrel eating this too. So this is a very healthy one. Healthy figs, and it's expensive to buy in a grocery store. So let me see, where's that other one that I saw a while ago. Okay, where is it now? I lost it. Oh, okay. Let me see. Okay, where did I see it? Okay, that's right there.